Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please keep arms and legs inside the coach. Remain seated. Dale's our engineer. I'm your host, Mr. Dave up the back. All aboard.
All clear.
The number I was trying to remember was 44.7. 44.7.
Was it a good one?
It's a government issue right here. Late 1800s. It's a little mini helicopter.
Oh.
It's really hard to fly. It's just like watching a unicycle and you're not.
Ranch gave away 160 acres of it to establish the park. Our first turtle just off of the wood ducks there to our left. That's the one with the red eye, and it will be in the shade on the beach where the ducks just took off. Just right in the shade over there, straight across now to your left. Two types of turtles we've seen the most of out here are the slider turtles, a little red hatch on their face, and then the soft-shelled turtles also out here. Both the upper and lower lake have white belly bass, bullhead, catfish, bluegill, crawdad, perch, and anything the birds brought in the way of frogs or other types of amphibians, if not more types of fish. Upper Lake area has the water tricycles in it and the boathouse from 1914. Originally equipped with rowboats, now equipped with the fancy water trikes. Wheel Fun Bike House, also in addition to the boathouse, between the zoo and where we are, over by that parking lot to your left, they have Surrey's bicycles built for 2, 3-wheelers, carts, and much more, all available every day 10 o'clock to 4 p.m. Wheel Fun Bike Center.
Oh yeah. There goes Wilder. Hi Wilder. So good. Oh, there you go. The biggest catfish the two guys have seen lately is about a 3-pound. They said there's 1 pound now. I think it's the same now.
Probably, yeah.
But beef liver garlic works good on the catfish right now. I'm gonna go get me some big ocean fish. I'm gonna day off tomorrow.
I get sick. I can't do that. I'm sicker than a dog.
I gotta think up to it.
put blue shark inside of it.
There you go. That's right.
Big tree here on your left is called the Constitution Oak, considered mature in 1787. Across to our far left is the entrance to the Orange County Zoo. You can see animals from the Southwest for only $2. Children aged 2 and younger are free, open every day, 10 o'clock to 3:30. James L. Irvine II statue coming up. His 2 favorite doggies out for a day in the woods. Photograph taken of him in 1911 was used to make that statue of bronze there just up ahead to your left. This is the Group Area 2 picnic site, outdoor amphitheater, small stage, our last building in the row we're going to see here. We're turning back into the woods to the right. Keep your eyes out for the wildlife as we go back in.
Right. Last time I was here, I was 16. Now I'm 72.
Wow, it's changed a lot since you've been here.
I don't recognize it at all.
Back on the right-hand side from 1913, it is still operational, and some of the old trees here, 200 to 500 years. Got a family of rabbits up here ahead, just a little ways earlier, the last couple of runs. Keep your eyes out for the rabbits.
I think like World War I, he was in the 134th or 144th Field Artillery France, and they picked up some training here and then they shipped them out.
Wow.
But when the war was over, they came back here and had a big party.
Oh, that's
And then they handed the park back over to the public after that.
Oh, okay.
But there was nothing but horses and buggies and old cars back then.
A lot of history to be.
One family of mallard ducks there, they're so tame, they're practically house cats. They'll walk right up and they won't quite eat out of your hand, but they'll sit down next to you and eat next to you. And they've been here 10 years easy. Really, really cool pair. It's really amazing. You can try that in the wild, they won't come within a mile.
And we're coming up on the tunnel. The bottom of the hill we'll be going through. Be sure to keep arms and legs inside the coach.
Got ringneck ducks and mallards and coots and wood ducks. Might have been some buffleheads out here earlier. There were some widgeons last week. And last year we had canvasbacks and redheads and teals. We had 4 geese.
They do
Yeah. We have them Tuesday, Thursdays right now.
There we go. That's what happened to the sunlight. All right, coming into the station, double check seats. Make sure you have all personal belongings. Have yourself a wonderful day in the park. Don't forget, upcoming next month is going to be April 2nd through the 23rd, the Easter Extravaganza.
Thanks for running smooth.
So you just put new wheels and axles in your car.
Yeah, very confident.